This is a Cincinnati 220-8 centerless grinder equipped with gantry loader automation and integrated air gauging for true closed-loop process control. The automated gantry system delivers precise, repeatable part loading and unloading, reducing operator dependency while increasing throughput and overall process consistency. Integrated air gauging continuously measures critical dimensions in real time and automatically adjusts grinding parameters to maintain tight tolerances throughout the production run. The gauging system features integrated cleaning, ensuring ultra-precision measurement, eliminating contamination variables, and preserving measurement integrity, part after part. The control platform utilizes simple, conversational programming, allowing operators to set up and manage jobs without specialized G-code or M-code knowledge. This reduces training requirements, simplifies changeovers, and accelerates implementation while maintaining full control over the grinding process. Engineered for stability and reliability, the system is fully capable of lights-out operation, supporting unattended production while maintaining dimensional accuracy and repeatability. At Allways Precision, we engineer complete, production-ready grinding systems tailored to your tolerances, throughput requirements, and automation objectives. From process development and turnkey integration to long-term service and technical support, our team is committed to delivering measurable performance gains on your production floor. With advanced remote maintenance capabilities and structured on-site preventative maintenance programs, we ensure your equipment continues operating at peak precision long after installation. To begin the conversation, call us directly at 815-577-1600 to speak with a grinding specialist. Visit centerless.com to explore our capabilities and submit an inquiry online. Or email sales@allwaysprecision.com to discuss your application in detail. However you choose to connect, Allways Precision is ready to build your next high-performance grinding solution.